What's up guys, Kawasaki Brad here, and today we are back at it on the ZX6. I still have the side panels and tail fairing seat removed from the last video, so if you don't know how to do that, by all means head back and check that out. Today, while that's all off, we're going to be removing the exhaust servo. What this does is it controls the back pressure. There's a butterfly valve in your factory exhaust. As soon as you get an aftermarket exhaust, you no longer need this. But if you unplug it and huck it in the garbage, it's going to turn on the check engine light on your dash. Servo Buddy. Plug this in its place, keeps the light from turning on, makes the ECU think everything is all cool. Yeah, super easy to do. Let's get to it. So as you can see, that's a fairly easy mod to do. Opens up this nice space which will fit your power commander perfectly, which we're going to be installing later. I do sell these on my site, KawasakiBrad.ca. They're not a lot of money, easy to deal with, and then I've had the one in my ZX10 for probably 10 years. And once you plug it in, you basically just forget about it and leave it there forever. So yeah. Anyways, let me know if there's anything I missed, anything I should have explained better, anything you'd like to see, and yeah, go out, buy like your sponsor.